Welcome to the Yabelana e-directory. Yabelana refers to sharing, and in this case, sharing of information. Yabelana uses technology to provide information about services and events in specific communities. Although targeted at older persons, services listed are not age-restricted. A wide range of information is listed ranging from healthcare and social services to local councillors. As a service provider, you can create and maintain the services you provide on the Yabelana platform via the mobile application. You can also register events on the platform. The system will automatically notify subscribed participants about events in their area. Before you get started, you need to contact an existing listed service provider on the Yabelana platform and inform them that you will be using them as a verification reference to get registered on the platform. You will need to get the mobile number they use to log into the Yabelana app. To find other service providers, please browse the Yabelana directory. To get started, download the mobile application in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store by searching for Yabelana. When opening the app, select your location and tap on Register in the Settings tab. You will now register your personal user account. Firstly, provide your name, surname and mobile number and click on Continue. The system will send an SMS to your mobile number with a one-time PIN. You need to enter this PIN in the mobile app to verify your number. Finally, enter the mobile number of your verification reference. You may also select a number from your phone book. The verification reference will receive an SMS. They need to reply yes to verify you as a service provider. Once you have been verified, you'll receive an SMS that your service provider account has been registered. You can now return to the app and tap on Login in the Settings menu. You can log in with your mobile number and an OTP. You are now ready to create service provider profiles and events. To create a service provider, tap on the plus icon on the Service Providers tab. You need to provide a name, select relevant categories of services and a location. It is important to note that a service provider can only be created in one location. If you have multiple offices in different cities, you need to create them as separate service providers. Enter the hours that the service provider is available in the hours box. For instance, 24 hours or between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Tap on Continue. You now need to enter a description of the services rendered. Please be mindful of grammar and spelling as this will be made available to the public. Tap on Continue. Next, you should provide contact information. You need to enter a contact person's name and at least one contact number or address. Tap on Continue. Finally, drag the red pin on the map to indicate exactly where the service is rendered. The service provider is now created. You can always return later to update information by tapping on the service provider name and using the dotted menu on the top right. Other options include the ability to view feedback provided by the public or broadcast a notification to subscribed users in the area. Please note that you will be limited on the frequency of the broadcast notifications to not more than once a week. To create events, tap on the plus icon in the Events tab. Enter an event name and description and tap on Continue. Next, you need to provide event start and end dates and times. Tap on Continue. Select a location where the event will take place and enter a physical address. Finally, enter a contact person name and mobile number, and optionally select a service provider that will be hosting the event. Tap on Continue. Your event is now created, and event notifications will be sent to subscribed participants in the area. Event notifications are not guaranteed to be sent immediately. It depends on your event date and the number of other events in the area. To switch back to the public directory, tap the list icon on the top left of the screen. To return to the service provider area again, tap on the grid icon. If you are ever logged out of the app because of uninstalling the app or losing your device, you can always log in again with the login option. As a final note, if you receive verification requests by new service providers, please be mindful to properly verify the legitimacy of the services they render. Remember that the Yabelana platform is in your hands. Thank you for using Yabelana.